Today I am going to show you how to make training attendance sheet. You can make like this, and you can see mention here top training attendance sheet, and just make like this. Mention topics, what you going to give training, and date of training. Should have put here date. Venue location, which hotel. Facilitators, trainer name need to put here, and time, from time to time, and total hours, how many minutes and how many hours. Can, if you give in training, you should have put time in here. Here also you can put trainer name, facilitator, and for attendant just make like this, and then put here 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers and names and position, department, signature, and then you can put here all the attendant name and position, room attendant, and department, housekeeping. This one any department can do, hotel or any department. Every department can do like this. Can make like this format. Here just mention signature. When you give training, after that you should have to take signature from attendant. After that trainer have to sign here, and after that scan and send to the HR. When you give training, you should have send sent to HR. So this is easy, it's not hard. I just mention same like this. Training attendance sheet, and topics and date of training, venue and facilitator. Just make like this, and